Hey there! Are you interested in investing in mutual funds, but not sure where to start? In this video, you'll learn the basics of mutual fund investing from an expert. First of all, it's important to understand what mutual funds are. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool together money from multiple investors and use that money to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. By investing in a mutual fund, you can get exposure to a wide range of assets, which can potentially reduce risk and increase your chances of success. There are many types of mutual funds to choose from, including index funds, actively managed funds, and sector funds, to name a few. It's important to understand the differences between these types of mutual funds and choose the one that best aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. So, how do you choose the right mutual fund for you? Here are a few key factors to consider. Objectives. Determine your investment goals and look for mutual funds that align with those objectives. For example, if you're looking for long-term growth, you may want to consider a mutual fund with a focus on stocks. On the other hand, if you're looking for income, you may want to consider a mutual fund with a focus on bonds. Performance. Look for mutual funds with a track record of strong performance. However, keep in mind that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance, so it's important to also consider other factors such as fees and the mutual fund's investment strategy. Fees. Mutual funds charge fees to cover the cost of managing the fund. These fees can eat into your returns, so it's important to look for mutual funds with low fees. Diversification. Look for mutual funds that offer diversification, which can potentially reduce risk. This can be achieved by investing in a variety of different securities, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. By considering these factors, you'll be better equipped to choose the right mutual fund for you. Remember, it's important to do your due diligence and research different mutual funds before making a decision. You may also want to consider seeking the advice of a financial professional if you're uncertain about which mutual fund is right for you. Once you've chosen a mutual fund, it's important to monitor it regularly to ensure that it's still meeting your investment objectives. Here are a few key things to keep in mind. Review the fund's performance. Keep an eye on the mutual fund's performance and compare it to its benchmark and other mutual funds in its category. If the fund's performance is consistently lagging its peers, it may be time to consider other options. Review the fund's holdings. Check the mutual fund's portfolio to ensure that it's still aligned with your investment goals. If the fund has made significant changes to its holdings, it may be worth considering whether those changes are in line with your investment strategy. Review the fund's fees. Mutual fund fees can change over time, so it's important to keep an eye on them. If the fees have increased significantly, it may be worth considering whether the mutual fund is still a good value for your money. Rebalance your portfolio. If your investment goals or risk tolerance have changed, or if the mutual fund has become too large a part of your portfolio, it may be time to rebalance. This involves selling some of your mutual fund shares and using the proceeds to buy other securities to bring your portfolio back into alignment with your goals. By regularly reviewing and monitoring your mutual fund investments, you can ensure that they are still meeting your investment objectives and helping you reach your financial goals. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you some insights on mutual fund investing. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent in your investing, and to seek the advice of a financial professional if you're uncertain about any aspect of your investment strategy. With dedication and persistence, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals through mutual fund investing. One final thing to keep in mind when it comes to mutual fund investing is the importance of diversification. By investing in a variety of different mutual funds, you can potentially reduce risk and increase your chances of success. For example, you might consider investing in mutual funds that focus on different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. You might also consider investing in mutual funds with different investment strategies, such as growth, value, or income. It's also important to diversify within your mutual funds by investing in a variety of different securities. For example, a mutual fund. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you some insights on mutual fund investing. Good luck in your investing journey. Thanks for watching.